Imagine this. You're cruising down a winding road, the scenery is breathtaking, and without stopping, a drone launches from your car's roof, capturing every stunning angle. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, BYD just made it a reality. Introducing the Ling Yuan system, a cutting-edge, roof-mounted drone docking station designed by BYD in collaboration with DJI for just $2,200. This high-tech setup comes with a 4K drone and an aerodynamic docking station that integrates seamlessly with your vehicle. But here's the real kicker. This drone can take off while you're still driving at speeds of up to 16 miles per hour. And once in the air, it can track your vehicle at speeds of up to 34 miles per hour, ensuring you never miss an epic shot. Whether you're road tripping, off-roading, or just showing off your ride, this drone has your back. Controlled through the car's infotainment system or the Ling Yuan smartphone app, you can direct your drone with ease. And thanks to AI-powered editing software, sharing your adventures has never been simpler. Worried about battery life? Don't beat the Ling Yuan drone. Recharges from 20 to 80% in just 30 minutes, so by the time you stop for a coffee break, you'll be ready for round 2. The first models to get this game-changing tech are the BYD and Yangwang U8 SUVs, but BYD has big plans. More models like the Fangchengbo 5, Denza N9, and even the BYD Tang L will soon feature the Ling Yuan system. For now, this futuristic feature is only available in China, but who knows? Maybe soon, your road trips will be getting a high-tech upgrade too. Would you add this drone to your next ride? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates.